My love for sewing started with me altering already made clothes. That obviously has progressed into me making my own. In this video, I am going to turn this dress I got from Goodwill for less than $10 into another popular trend, the midi front slit skirt. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Patricia, and on this channel, we love fashion, and most importantly, we like to make it unique for our bodies. If you haven't already done so, please go ahead to hit the subscribe button to join our sewing family, and also make sure to hit the like button. That helps me grow on YouTube. With that said, let's get to the video. To start, I'm going to unpick the dress in 1, 2, 3. I am going to put the lining aside as I won't be using the lining. It's polyester and not a breathable fabric. I got 2 full pieces from the dress, and that is enough for this refashion. This part of the fabric, which was the front part, has a slit in it, and I'll be using it as the back of the skirt. I will stitch a straight line to make it look like we intended for the back to have a stitch down the center, and the back of the dress will now be the front. So I have gone ahead to stitch the back as well as overlock the raw edges, and I will put that aside for now. Moving on to the front. To make the slit in front, I folded the fabric into 2, and I further fold that into 2 more halves. And I'm using this method solely based on where I want the slit to be positioned. Also, I am working on the wrong side of the fabric, although it looks as if the side facing me is the right side of the leg, but you will see that it will move to the left side once I open it on the right side of the fabric, so make sure to put that into consideration. I make sure to draw a line along the marks to help me with cutting, and I move on to cut along that line. Next, I'm going to stitch from the waist to a point I'm comfortable with, which is about my mid-thigh. Once that is done, I attach the back piece to the front and stitch along the sides. And I also overlock the raw edges. You can use a zigzag stitch if you don't have an overlocker machine, but I highly recommend it if sewing is something you want to do. After stitching the skirt together, I move on to the waist and fold it first 1/4 inch and 1 3/4 inches to accommodate my elastic band. I pin and repeat all around the waist. I take it to the sewing machine, making sure to leave 1 inch for inserting the elastic. Once I'm done with sewing the waistband, I also move to stitch the slit down before working on the hem. For the hem, I folded in 1/4 inch and then I believe 1 inch. Next, I inserted the waistband and closed it with a zigzag stitch. I also closed the opening of the elastic. I finally gave it a good press and the skirt was done. This was a very easy and quick skirt. Let me know if this was helpful. Do you have anything you want to refashion? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me. If this video has helped you in any way, kindly give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And finally, make sure to check me out on Instagram. As they say, that is where the fun is. Till next time, have a beautiful rest of your day wherever you are. Bye.